Yeah. Okay. I am a CTO of a company named itsquiz, and I guess I'll stop on this slide. And today I will talk a little bit about a knowledge assessment. Knowledge assessment is a very important part for recruitment, for education, and so on. And it's also important for me because I have a company in Ukraine, IT company, and I constantly hire people. And if I have a great tool for knowledge assessment, then I will be able to hire more qualified people. And we do different projects for our customers, and we've created 5 knowledge assessment systems for our customers. And after that, we decided, okay, we should create our own modern assessment system, and we can use it. We created it, and currently we have 10,000 users in it, but every user comes to us and asks, okay, can you help us with the content? You have a system that allows us to test our students, our employees, our people we hire and so on, but we need content. And after that, yes, it can be created manually, but manual creation of the content requires a lot of time. And you cannot create content for things, the world changes constantly, and we cannot create content for things like yesterday article and so on. And we thought that it will be cool to have some sort of system that will be able to create, for example, you give it a text, and this system will be allowed to check your knowledge about this text automatically. So it will be some sort of artificial intelligence, and with it you can generate set of questions to test knowledge of any topic. For example, you have an article in Wikipedia, and you just say, okay, here's an article in Wikipedia, and I want a set of questions to test knowledge about this topic. And Wikipedia, or it can be, for example, things like Coursera. Every day appears a tons of new courses, and they need a tons of new tests to test their students every day for new topics. And we started our project named itsquiz.ai. It's an API it's an artificial intelligence for generation tests. And after several months of hard work, we've created a working demo. And I guess it's the most interesting part about artificial intelligence is to see how it works. Here's a small demo for.
We have 5 seconds for this.
Okay. Here's a small demo.
I'm afraid you did not measure that correctly. It's more than 3 minutes now. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
We'll maybe see the demo during the questions. Now, thank you very much for this. Now, 3 minutes are fast, but now we're. Yeah. Can you roll the demo during the questions?
Sure.
And we'll ask questions. Okay. So roll the demo and we ask the questions.
Mm-hmm. It will be an API for any product, but demo for current summit. And for example, if you enter Warsaw as the capital of Poland, you will have such questions. It's not always working correctly, but what is the Warsaw a capital of? Answer is Poland. What is Warsaw a capital of Poland? Is Warsaw a capital?
But we have questions now for you.
Yeah, and it can be more complex. Next.
The questions are coming from the jury, so please focus on the questions.
Let's roll the demo in the background and we'll ask the questions.
Okay.
Who is your target audience for this? Is it more like schools, corporations?
It is API. Any company can use it. So it can be companies like organizations like Coursera, companies like Udacity. It can be, for example, Upwork, because they have oven tests, but these tests are already in internet. And with this system, they can have every time new tests, unique tests. So or it can be universities and so on.
And what's your revenue model? It was stated that you don't have revenues yet. So what's your idea for the generated revenues?
We will take money per request, on a request basis to the API, and it can be monthly subscriptions, and it will be for businesses, for some of the universities, or maybe for all of the universities, we can give it for free to get promotion of the product.
Okay. questions?
Where are you today with the?
We have working prototype. For example, you see here rather complex sentence, and here's the questions, and it works. You can check and enter any sort of information, and it will allow you to get these questions. And
So it's live.
yeah, it's live, but it's prototype. It has some mistakes yet and bugs, but in any case, it works.
Where do you envision yourself in a year from now?
In a year, we will have a system that will be able to generate quality content for knowledge assessment. And some of the areas that we are trying to start is software development, for example, because every day you have a lot of new tools, and we hire software developers, and with this system we will be able to create tests for this process in the minutes.
Okay, do we have more questions? No, thank you very much. Thank you very much. And, you know,